This is Elon Musk's 2030 futuristic luxury yacht, a masterpiece of innovation and design that redefines what true luxury means on the ocean. As we move closer, the front of the yacht gleams under the sunlight, its aerodynamic bow cutting through the crystal blue water with power and grace. The body, crafted from high-strength titanium and reflective glass, features golden LED lines running along its edges, a signature of Musk's futuristic aesthetic. Now as we glide toward the rear, the back view reveals an incredible multi-level design. You can see the infinity pool glowing in soft blue light, surrounded by elegant lounge chairs and a private bar setup. Down below, a hydraulic platform carries a mini speedboat and jet skis, ready for adventure at a moment's notice. Stepping inside, the yacht's interior feels like entering another world, a world of innovation and pure comfort. Panoramic glass walls showcase the endless ocean, while white leather sofas, marble floors, and smart digital walls create a futuristic ambiance. Every corner glows with soft LED lighting that adjusts automatically with the mood of the ocean. Moving further, the bedroom area is pure elegance. A floating king-size bed with a golden frame seems to hover above the floor, surrounded by ambient light and ocean reflections. The ceiling turns into a holographic sky filled with stars, allowing you to sleep beneath your own private galaxy. Next comes the luxury washroom, a space of peace and perfection, with marble bathtubs, digital mirrors, and rainfall showers glowing with colored light. It's more like a spa than a bathroom. Every element responds to voice commands, from lighting to temperature, making it feel almost alive. Now we enter the cockpit, the heart of this futuristic vessel. A panoramic 360-gator glass window wraps around the control area. The dashboard glows with holographic navigation, digital radar systems, and touch-sensitive panels. Two luxury leather captain chairs sit proudly at the front, giving Elon Musk complete control over his oceanic empire. On the upper deck, things turn even more spectacular. The infinity pool stretches toward the horizon, and the open lounge area glows under the sunset. Guests enjoy cocktails at the glowing glass bar while the ocean breeze flows through the air. Everything feels cinematic, soft music, golden light, and the luxury of tomorrow. And finally, as night falls, the entire yacht transforms into a floating jewel. Blue and golden LED lights reflect beautifully across the calm waves, while drones capture breathtaking aerial shots from above. The stars shine bright in the sky, mirrored perfectly on the surface of the ocean. This isn't just a yacht, and it's a vision of the future. A masterpiece powered by innovation, luxury, and Elon Musk's limitless imagination. Experience the ultimate in futuristic luxury with the BMW Future Modern Yacht, a masterpiece of design, innovation, and power. From its aerodynamic body to its intelligent interior, this yacht defines the future of ocean travel. Explore every corner, front, side, interior, lounge, bedroom, bathroom, and back deck, and all built with BMW's signature elegance and cutting-edge technology. I watched till the end to see this futuristic beauty, cruising across the open ocean in full cinematic style. The video opens with a breathtaking shot of the BMW Future Luxury Yacht resting on calm blue water. Its glossy silver and white body shines under the sunlight, while glowing blue lines define its futuristic shape. The BMW logo glimmers proudly, a true symbol of innovation and class. The camera slowly moves along the side, revealing the yacht's elegant aerodynamic body. Transparent glass walls shimmer in the light, offering a glimpse of the luxurious interior inside. Every curve speaks of precision and BMW engineering mastery. The view transitions inside, a world of comfort and technology. Soft white leather sofas, panoramic ocean views, and ambient LED lights create a futuristic luxury atmosphere. It's not just a yacht, it's a smart living space floating on the sea. The next shot reveals a spacious bedroom with a full glass wall overlooking the sea. Blue ambient lighting and a modern king-size bed highlight BMW's attention to comfort and innovation, a peaceful blend of elegance and future design. The bathroom glows with white marble and chrome, featuring a digital mirror and rainfall shower. Every detail feels high-tech, minimal, and sophisticated. Luxury taken to the next level. The camera moves to the back of the yacht, showing an open deck with LED floor lights and a relaxing lounge area. The BMW logo glows as the waves reflect shimmering blue light. It's where modern design meets tranquility. Finally, the yacht accelerates through the ocean. Water splashing, blue lights glowing and the sun setting in the background. A cinematic ending that defines the future of ocean travel. The BMW Future Modern Luxury Yacht. On the calm surface of the ocean, a masterpiece awakens. The Rolls-Royce Luxury Yacht. A vision of elegance, power, and futuristic design. From the front view, its sleek white and gold curves shimmer under the sunlight. Every angle tells a story of perfection. The Rolls-Royce emblem proudly rests at the bow, a symbol of ultimate prestige on the sea. As waves touch its hull, the yacht glides smoothly, reflecting innovation and timeless beauty. Step inside the captain's domain, the futuristic drive area of this magnificent Rolls-Royce yacht. The cockpit is wrapped in luxury leather, with gold stitching and digital control panels glowing in blue light. Every command responds to the pilot's touch. Large panoramic glass windows offer a breathtaking horizon. Holographic navigation, seamless technology, and the quiet hum of Rolls-Royce engineering. This is where precision meets passion. The living lounge welcomes you with unmatched elegance. White leather sofas curve perfectly around a golden-trimmed table. Soft LED lights blend with natural sunlight pouring through glass walls. Guests enjoy ocean views while sipping luxury drinks. Every corner feels designed for comfort, style, and class. It's not just a lounge, it's a floating palace of relaxation. As the evening sun paints the sky, the Rolls-Royce yacht reveals its royal bedroom suite. A king-size bed with gold and white bedding, panoramic windows opening to endless waves. Golden lights reflect on marble walls, while the calm sound of the sea surrounds you. This is where dreams meet luxury, a sanctuary built for those who live beyond limits. Even in the washroom, luxury breathes. Marble surfaces, smart mirrors, and glowing LED edges create a spa-like ambience. Every fitting shines in silver and gold. It's not just a bathroom, it's a statement of design and comfort. Rolls-Royce leaves no corner untouched by elegance. As we move toward the back, the Rolls-Royce yacht opens its grand deck, an infinity-style pool reflecting the sunset, golden flooring gleaming under soft light. Guests relax, the ocean glows, and the horizon stretches endlessly.